Hello YouTube, really short video today. I just found a product that I'm really excited about and I felt like I had to share it with everybody. I've had this Harbor Freight dust collector now for, I don't know, a couple years, and so far it's working good, but there's one thing that I don't like is that I have to come out here and turn it on and off manually every time. I have, no system of remote control or anything. And it becomes a hassle. Every time you want to cut a piece of wood, you have to walk away from the saw, walk all the way over to the machine, physically turn it on, cut your wood, and come back and turn it back off again. You have to walk to the machine 2 times, and it's such a waste of time. Not only that, it's just annoying. Well, the other day I was in Home Depot and I was just looking for an extension cord, and I accidentally run into this product by Defiant, and it's a remote control. And I believe that the remote control was designed for Christmas trees. But I look on the package and it said it's good up to 15 amps. And I believe that this dust collector is like 13 amps. And I'm like, might as well give this thing a try. It's 10 bucks. And I'm like, 10 bucks? Like, how can you beat that? I mean, if it burns up, it burns up. I throw it away. Who cares, right? So I hurried home, took it out of the package. Super easy to install. You just plug it into the wall. Plug your dust collector right into it and turn the dust collector on, and then you got this remote control with an on and off button. You can keep it in your pocket, or what I've chosen to do is that I just put it on a little thing of Velcro, and I just got it Velcroed to the side of my table saw, because that's the tool that I use the most. So overall, I'm real happy with its performance, and I've been using it now for a month, and so far it's been working great. Can't really complain. The only thing I really wish for this thing is that there was multiple remotes, so I could stick them in different parts of the shop at different workstations. But it's 10 bucks. How can you really complain about 10 bucks? If you're working somewhere else, you could just set it by that tool. If you're working at the miter station or something, just have it right there. You can put it in your pocket or clip it to an apron, whatever suits you. And so far it's lasted. It's only been a month, but if it doesn't last, it's 10 bucks. So not a big loss there. So hopefully this video has helped somebody. Hopefully this is something someone can use in their shop. You can find it at the local Home Depot. That's where I found it, at the electrical section. And if you did find this video useful, please click like and please subscribe, because we have some more videos coming out here soon and some other projects that I have coming up. Until then, y'all have a great one.